everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I have decided to share with you all this makeup look. It's really simple and I did this same makeup for my brother's wedding and it turned out pretty well. And a lot of weddings are happening as all the wedding season has already begun. So I wanted to share this tutorial so that it's going to be useful for you if you have to attend some weddings. So yeah, without a further ado, let's begin. If you want to know how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. And yes, before beginning this tutorial, one more thing. If you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button for future notifications. And yeah, let's begin. Okay, so the first step is to use a primer as it will help in minimizing the pores and it will also work as a smooth base for your makeup, and I am using Color Bars primer for dry skin. And now I'll start with the makeup. So firstly I'll use some foundation. The one I am using is Artiste's Exact Fit Long Wearing 24-hour foundation, and I'll take few pumps of this foundation and then I'm going to be using my fingers to spread the product with the help of some dots all over my face like this, because in this way I can evenly distribute the product. And then I'll be taking a damp beauty sponge to mix the product all over my skin. And always use a damp beauty sponge or blender because it will help you in blending the product nicely and evenly. And I just love this foundation because it gives that perfect coverage that you want. And now I'm gonna be just blending it all over my face. And yes, don't forget your neck. It's really important to use some product there as well, otherwise it will look really bad. And I also use some more foundation on my face because it is a makeup for the wedding, so I want it to look good, like a even tone skin. So just make sure wherever you feel like applying more foundation, just go ahead and apply few more layers. Usually I do not like layering makeup, like layers of foundation, but since it was for the wedding, so इतना तो चलता है. Now I'll use a concealer, and this one is L'Oreal's Infallible Concealer, and I'm going to mention all the products that I'm using in this video in the description box. Make sure you check that out for exact product names. And now I'll apply this concealer like this all over my eyelids because it will work as an eyeshadow primer, and that will eventually help in making my eyeshadow stay for a longer period of time, like my eye makeup stay for a longer period of time basically. And I'll also apply the concealer around my chin, my upper lip and my forehead. Then taking that same beauty sponge that I use for mixing my foundation, I'm going to be blending my concealer. And recently I purchased this concealer along with the primer that I used in the beginning of this video, then few other products from Nykaa. And I have done a Nykaa haul recently that I'll link it down in the description box. You can also check that out for more information about these products. And this is how I like blending my concealer. And basically I just dab the concealer. I try not to drag it because if I'm dragging it, then I'm gonna be just displacing. Basically concealer कहीं और से उठा के कहीं और का चला जाता है. So you wanna dab your concealer so that it can stay there for a longer period of time and your face can get that smooth finish. And this is how I like to apply concealer, and then I run that same beauty sponge all over my face. Now it's time to set the base, and for that I'm using Artiste's loose powder. I have been using it from past few years and loving it, and I'll use a brush to apply the powder all over my face, especially around my eyes to set the concealer. And I'll be using it just around my neck area, my ears, like wherever I just feel like. The eye makeup, I am using Revolution's eyeshadow palette, and I'll use this shade as a base for the eye makeup, and I'll be using my fingers for the eye makeup, particularly my ring finger. And if you're not good at eye makeup, then definitely try using your fingers to spread the product next time, and you'll find it easier to apply your eyeshadows. Basically this is how I feel. And now I'm gonna be just applying it using my fingers. This is how I will be just applying it on my eyelids. So once I am done applying the eyeshadow, then I'll be using this Attitudes Duo blusher, and I'll take a small amount of the product in my brush, and I'll try to just merge it. Basically it can, so that it can give a diffused look, because there were some harsh lines and that harsh line was not looking good. So you need to just take any fluffy brush and just spread the product all over your eyelid. Now I will be using this shade for the outer edges of my eyelids, and again I'll use my ring fingers to apply the product, and this is the same palette that I use for the base, and you can use any eyeshadow palette. The thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to use two shades. One is lighter for the base and the other one should be dark, so that you can apply it on your outer edges. And this is how I will be applying it. I won't be applying it all over my eyelids, like halfway I'll just apply and then I'll stop. This is how I like to apply eyeshadow, and this is really simple and easy to replicate eye makeup look, and you'll be seeing that in the later part. And I'm just stopping halfway because I will be using some glitter eyeshadows in the later part. So make sure that you're taking your time and applying it. Again, you can use your you can use brushes also to apply the eye makeup products, but I like using my fingers, so I'm using that. Okay, so here comes the hero ingredient of this whole eye makeup look, and that is this Swiss Beauty glitter eyeshadow. I will be just dabbing it on my eyelids directly like this, and then I'm going to be using my fingers to spread this product. And I will not be using this glitter all over my eyelids. If you want, you can. And I'll be just using it from the inner corner of my eyelids. And it is so simple to use this eyeshadow because it has this makeup applicator, the one that I am using. It becomes so simple and so easy to apply this product. If you want to know more about this product, then you can definitely watch my last video that was about Nykaa haul. I purchased this glitter from Nykaa, so you can just read about the reviews and all. And I have also given the link in that video about, for this particular eyeshadow. If you want, you can purchase that, and I'm going to be linking down that video in the description box, video's link in the description box. Then I'll be filling in my eyebrows, and for that I'm using L'Oreal's Brow Artist Kit, which has a powder to fill in the eyebrows and a setting powder that comes with it. It's really small, but it is very handy and really nice. I've been using it from past few years, and I like keeping my eyebrows natural, so I won't be filling a lot of product in it. So just a natural looking eyebrows, and this is how it looks. And now moving on further, I'm going to be using Attitudes Kajal for my lower eyelashes because it gives that complete eye makeup look. I feel like it gives complete eye makeup look. And then I'm going to be using this shade from Attitudes eyeshadow palette, and the brush that comes with it, the palette, I'm going to be using that same brush to spread the product for my lower eyelashes so that the eye makeup can be completed, because if you're not doing something with the lower eyelashes, so it's gonna look incomplete. And then some mascara. So this one is from Attitude and it's almost over, that's why it's not making a lot of difference, but this mascara is really good. I just love it. I need to purchase a new one. Then I'm gonna be using this Attitudes Duo blusher for some blush all over my cheeks, and I like using some blusher on my nose also. You can definitely avoid that if you don't like, but I just like applying it there. And then some highlighter. This one is from Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter. I'm going to be linking down all the product name in the description box. Make sure that you're checking that out. And then I'm going to be highlighting my bridge of the nose, around my eyebrows, then on the higher points of my cheeks, like wherever I just feel like highlighting, on my cupid bow, and that's all. This is such a good highlighter, as you can see. Then I'm gonna be taking this shimmery shade from the Attitudes eyeshadow palette and taking that brush that comes with it to highlight my inner corner of the eyes, because the highlighter that I was using, I did not like that shade too much. So I'm gonna be using the shimmery shade from the eyeshadow palette. And now it's time for the lipstick, and for the lipstick I'm using this Attitudes matte lipstick in the shade Peach Kiss. I just love this lipstick because it's too good, like the perfect shade. I have always wanted like a shade कुछ ऐसा सा, and finally I got this, and this is just a perfect shade. And as you can see, even if you are just applying this lipstick, it's gonna make such a huge difference to your whole makeup look. And ये पूरा vibe जो जा रहा है pink pink tone में, like the eyeshadow, my outfit and this lipstick. And then I'm gonna be taking this caramel toffee lipstick. This is again a matte lipstick, creme matte from Attitude, and I'll be just dabbing it on my Peach Kiss lipstick that I used earlier. And it gives really nice shade because I like mixing my lipsticks and making some new shades, so I like using lipstick that way. And you can also use some loose powder on top of it to make it more like matte lipstick. But this lipstick stayed for such a long time, like I applied it in the morning for the wedding and stayed till the evening. And then some falsies, and the last step is to set your makeup. This is really important, and I'm using Swiss Beauty makeup setting spray. Okay, so this is my complete makeup look, and I have put on my false eyelashes. This is totally optional. If you want to put it, you can. Otherwise, you can just skip this last step, and you can just put on some mascara and eyeliner, and you're good to go. And I'm gonna just open my hair. And I didn't do anything with my hair, just simply I straightened them. So I'm gonna just settle it. So I'll show you the closer. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you super soon. And if you're planning to recreate this makeup look, then don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I'm gonna link down my Instagram handle in the description box. You can follow me there, and I'm also gonna write it somewhere on the screen so that you can follow me. And yeah, I'll see you super soon. Bye bye.